Shopify website design tutorial step by step. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your Shopify website and what are the different settings that you need to do in order to create a professional website to sell your store. So let's get into it. First of all, what you need to do is you will just log into your Shopify store and you'll get to your admin right here. Shopify.com is an amazing platform that allows you to sell your products. We can create our online store and get started with our own business. With Shopify, it's actually really easy to get started. You can create your own account using your email address, or you can use your Google account and you will get your own store. So after the initial sign up or sign into your Shopify, this is where we get. We will actually focus on the part how to design your storefront on Shopify. So for that, we will just navigate to the sales channels right here, and then we will get the option of online store. This is what you have to select. Within our online store, we have our themes, blog post, pages, navigation, and preferences. So if we select themes, it will show me my store, the current theme that I have selected, and theme library. In order to get started with the designing of your website and to customize it, we will actually have to select a theme first. So you can scroll down a little bit. It will show you the popular free themes that are available. There's a free theme too, and then there are paid themes. There's no coding required. That's the most important part. The designing of the shop is requires no coding, so you don't have to worry about it even as a complete beginner. Here, what I have done is I have selected this theme right here, which is Dawn. So all you need to do is just select the theme here. We have to just click on add and it will be added right here. Once the theme is added, now we can click on customize. So this is where we will design our website. All right, so this is my website right here. I actually haven't done a lot of work here. All I have done is like added few of the images, but I'll show you how, as a complete beginner, how to do that. First of all, we have sections here. So we have our sections here. Different sections have different kind of blocks that we add, and then we have our theme settings, and we have app embeds. Within our sections, we will be getting our homepage, like default page that we get. We have an announcement bar, we have a header, then we have template where we have like an image banner here. On our image, we're getting text, we're getting the button, then we're getting a featured collection, we're getting a video here, and then we have footer. So to add a new section to your Shopify website, you have to click on add section and we will get a lot of different sections to add. For instance, I will be able to add featured collection, featured product, collection list, rich text, image with text, image banner, slideshow, collage, multi-column, multi-row. Similarly, we have email signups, contact form, videos, blog posts, custom liquid page, and more. So all of these sections can be added to your website. Similarly, the main settings for your website when it comes to designing logo, colors, typography, layout, buttons, the inputs, product cards, collection cards, blog cards, everything will be done within the theme settings here. So you have to go to theme here and you will go to logo. It will show you the logo where you can select an image. Similarly, we have a favicon image here. Then we have the colors. Colors is an important part of designing a website. So it will show you the colors that you have. For instance, the primary colors that we have a solid button colors. Then we have, secondary color for the website. We have outline. We have backgrounds. We have gradients, everything. And typography, of course, where I'll be able to select the different fonts of my website. So font and the color, the background color is an important part of designing a website. So you will choose everything according to you. For instance, this is the font that we have right now. Click on change and select the font for your website. So this is where you will select the font. Once you're done, click on select and it will be added. If you want to change the font size scale, you will be able to do so from here. I can scroll down to buttons. So if you want to do the button designing, then you will click right here and it will show you all of the options. We have thickness, opacity, shadow, and more. So most of the in-depth designing can be done here, and we are getting a lot of different options on Shopify website. So this is actually really good, and it's a very customizable editor that we have. When it comes to the main outlook of a website, it's actually really easy to edit. You just have to select the part. For instance, we have a header here. So in our header, what I can do is I can adjust the menu button, I can adjust the background, I can adjust the text that we have, I can adjust if it's going to be a sticky header or not, mobile layout, spacing, I can select everything here. Similarly, we can move on to the image banner here. In image banner, select it and then we can edit the image. This is the image that I have already added for my website, but you will click on change and then we can remove the image. So let me remove. This is what you will see. We have first image, second image and everything. So what you will do is select the image banner and then you're going to select the image, and then now you will upload the image right here. Any image that you have for your store, you will upload here. So I have already done a shoot with the model, so I'm going to select this one, click on select, and the image will be added. This is our banner image for the store that we have. Now we can actually customize the text. This is the main heading that has been added here. So this heading can be the name of your store. So this is the name for my store and I have added it right here. This is our brand name. I can also select if it's going to be large, medium, or small. Then we had the tagline option with my theme. So I added the tagline here, and then we had a button. We can customize the buttons completely on Shopify. So you can first of all change the button label here, what it says, and then we can add any kind of link to any page of a website. Then we have second button label, second button link, and more. So now I can scroll down to featured collection. In featured collection, what we can do is we can add the collections that we have created on our Shopify store and list them on our website. Moving on, I have added another section, which is the video section. I added it myself. It was not available within the theme because we can add sections by just clicking right here and adding anything we want to. So I have added a video. In video, again, you will just add a heading for the video. I didn't add a heading. Then we had the size and the URL for the video. And then we have, of course, the background color. Then we have the padding that we can select. In the footer, we have this footer right here, which is pretty simple. But if you want to, customize something, you can. For instance, we have quick links here. We have info and our mission. So in info, what I can do is I can, of course, customize it. And we can even just upload an image in the, footer to customize it. If you want to add another section, we also get this plus right here. So for instance, we have this plus to add a block. So let's just click here. In add block, we have image, text that we can add. And then we have a brand information and menu. So click on text and you'll be able to add a block into a section on your Shopify store. So this way we can customize a page. This is the home page that we're customizing. Click right here at the top and it will show you the different pages that we have on our Shopify store. So right now we have a home page, we have a product, collection list, pages. Keep in mind, it depends on the theme that you have selected. Your theme may have different pages created for you. And what we can do is we can actually create our own pages. For that, we'll actually have to get back to our admin and I'll show you in a minute how to add a new page to a website. So you can see right here we have cart, checkout, and others. So these are the pages that we have. Once you're done with the designing of a website, again, the options are pretty simple on Shopify here. I showed you everything, how to kind of like do the theme settings here, and then how you can add different sections and blogs and add images or text. So once you're done with the website, you can get a preview and then click on save. Once you click on save, your settings will be saved here, and then you can of course customize it as we go. You can add more images, you can change the images anytime you want to, you can change the text, you can change the collections, featured collections, new collections you can add on your storefront and create a professional website on Shopify. So let's exit and get back to our admin. Within our admin, you can see I showed you we had blog post and pages. Go to pages right here and now you will click on add page. This will allow you to add a new page to your Shopify store. You can see we have a title and the content that we can add. Then we have navigation here for the menu and blog post too. So it starts from selecting a theme to design your website, and then when you're done, you can always visit your website with this option right here which says view your store. It'll show you how your store looks to your customers, and with Shopify we get a lot of different themes and templates that look very professional. So yeah guys, this is how we design a Shopify store. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video A big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.